Mathematicians.
Good morning, mathematicians.
Today we're going to be playing a game, and the game is called
Guess My Number.
You're going to need a pencil, a piece of paper, you're going to draw a number line and all of the little notches, and then we get started with playing.
So I'm going to ask you a number. Can I just check first, Mr. Ouija? Is your number going to be between 50 and 100? Is that why your number line is ready from 50 to 100?
That's correct. My number is going to be from 50 to 100. It's going to be in this range. It's not going to be past these two numbers.
Great. Okay. All right, Mr. Ouija, my first question to you is your number greater than 75?
My number is greater than 75.
Oh, okay. So that means that grade 1, that it can't be less than 75. It has to be more than 75. Okay, it's greater than 75.
That's right.
Okay, Mr. Ouija. There we go, up until there. Mr. Ouija, is your number an odd number?
Miss Pizzulo, my number is indeed an odd number.
Okay, so grade 1, that means that Mr. Ouija's number either ends in a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7, or a 9. Okay. Mr. Ouija, is your number between 75 and 85?
My number is in between 75 and 85.
Oh, wow, grade 1, did you see? Now I've only got a few options left. That means Mr. Ouija's number has to be either 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, or 85. Ooh, my next question for you, Mr. Ouija, is your number greater than 80?
My number is greater than 80.
Oh, okay. So that means it can either be 81, 83, 85. I'm just going to go ahead and guess. Mr. Ouija, is your number 83?
My number is 83.
Woohoo!
Oh my goodness, Miss Pizzulo, you did some fantastic thinking. The way that you were using your words and using math words to show me your thinking has really helped me see what you were doing in your mind. Now, mathematicians, are you ready? We're going to play another round, and this time we're going to make it even more challenging.
Okay, grade 1, we are back, and this time I have a number ready in my head for Mr. Ouija to guess. So Mr. Ouija is going to guess my number, but this time I'm going to challenge him by having him guess the number somewhere between 70 and 120.
So let me double check with you now, Ms. Pizzulo. Does that mean that the number that I'm guessing is not going to be less than 70 and it's not going to be more than 120?
That's right. That's right. My number is somewhere in between 70 and 120.
Okay, amazing. Now, Ms. Pizzulo, do you have that number in your head?
I do. I have it ready.
Okay, let me ask you, is your number an even number or an odd number?
Oh, Mr. Ouija, you can only ask one question. So do you want to ask me if it's even or if it's odd?
Thank you very much for clarifying that. Okay, so one question. Is your number an even number?
No, my number is not an even number. It is not an even number.
So it is an odd number. So that must mean that any number that has the digits 8, 6, 2, 4, they're not going to be in it. Okay, so it is an odd number. Now let me ask you this. Is your number between the range 70 and 90?
Yes, my number is between 70 and 90.
Okay, so now it really narrows it down. So now I know that the number is in between the numbers 70 and 90, and it is an odd number. Okay, so let me think about this a little bit more. Miss Pizzulo, is your number greater than 80?
Yes, my number is greater than 80.
Okay, so if it's greater than 80, then I know that the odd numbers between 80 and 90 is 81, 83, 85, 87, and 89.
Yep, you are definitely on the right track, Mr. Ouija.
Okay, let me see if I can narrow it down even more. Is your number between 85 and 90.
Yes, my number is between 85 and 90.
Which must mean there's only two numbers, so that's 87 or 89. I'm going to go ahead and call it out. Miss Pizzulo, is your number 89?
Yay! My number is 89. Well done, Mr. Ouija.
Amazing, Miss Pizzulo. Oh my goodness. Now, mathematicians, you're going to go off now, grab a pencil, grab a piece of paper, draw a number line and notches. You can make it challenging for yourself by using bigger numbers or using smaller numbers.
And try not to go above 120 today. All right. Good luck, grade 1.